Important Azure services. Azure Storage Services. Blob storage for storing unstructured data, images, videos, logs, backups. LRS, locally redundant storage 3 copies within one data center. ZRS, zone redundant storage replicated across multiple availability zones. GRS, geo-redundant storage replicated to another region. Azure Files, fully managed file shares using SMB or NFS protocol. Azure Queue Storage stores messages for decoupled communications between services. Azure Table Storage, NoSQL store for structured data. Azure Databases. Azure SQL Database, Managed SQL, PIS. Cosmos DB, globally distributed NoSQL. Azure Database for MySQL PostgreSQL, Managed Relational Databases. Azure Networking. VNet. Subnet. NSG, Network Security Group controls inbound-outbound traffic to VMs. Application Gateway, with WF Layer 7 Load Balancer, good for web apps. Azure Load Balancer, Layer 4 Load Balancing for TCP/UDP traffic. Azure Front Door. Global Load Balancer plus CDN plus WAF for web applications. ExpressRoute, private connection to on-premises. Azure Identity and Security. Azure AD, Active Directory Identity and Access Management. RBAC, Role-Based Access Control access at resource subscription level. Different roles in RBAC. Owner, full access, including assigning roles. Contributor, full access, except cannot assign roles. Reader, read-only access. User access administrator, manage access, role assignments. Custom role, you can create one with fine-grained permissions. Key Vault. Azure Monitoring and Management. Azure Monitor. Log Analytics, part of Monitor query logs across resources. Application Insights, App Performance Monitoring.